Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. This video is in collaboration with Small Creator Sunday, and this is hosted by Tiff from Broke Girl Aesthetics and Devin from Freckled Mom. And theme for this challenge is reduce, reuse and recycle. So let's get started. This is the final reveal of my project, you guys. I'm so excited to share with you all today. And these are the two tin containers. One is a large one is a small one. I wanted to create like two planters of, same design with two different sizes. So yeah, this is it. So like you saw the process, I just used one of the placemat, and I love this pattern, gray and white. They look so well together. So I stuck this placemat around this tin container and stuffed a lot of bags again to just give the height, fill the height, and then had the floral foam on top and filled with all the white flowers. I don't even know the names of this. So I just picked the random white flowers from Dollar Tree and I just filled it. So with this, it's got like white and gray. I thought like white flowers will look nice. You can also fill some greenery, that will also would look nice. So I thought I should fill with white flowers, so I went with that. And similarly, I created the same identical planter from the same a smaller tin container, and I filled the same kind of flowers with the same decoration style. So yeah, so these are two of my tin containers converted into two planters. So I'm very much happy with this project. So let me know your thoughts on this. And this one is very simple. This is one of my oil diffuser bottle from Dollar Tree, and I used it. It's got like nice shape, so I just cleaned it up, and I just had one of those white lace ribbon. I just attached on the top of the neck of the bottle, and then I decorated it with one of the Easter lily. And this is one of the beautiful satin Easter lily that I got from Dollar Tree. So I thought like I should decorate individually like this. And I saw this at Target. They were having this clear glass vases with some flower birds in it. So I thought like I should recreate that, something similar to that. So there we have it. So this is one of my Easter lily with one of the leaf, and it's showing the stem inside the clear glass. So this is a look I wanted to create, and I'm very happy about this project. So let me know your thoughts on this. So these are two of my reduce, recycle and reuse projects. So I'm very happy about this project. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.